Hello, I have ordered some watch-related items on AliExpress. Let's check them out. This is a replacement bezel and bracelet for the Casio DW5600. I paid $4.74 for this, including shipping. This is the blue version. I also bought a green bezel and bracelet. $4.74, that is as cheap as it gets. Here's the original Casio DW5600. I think that the replacement bracelet feels somewhat softer and more flexible in comparison with this original bracelet. The inscriptions on both cases say protection and G-Shock. But the inscriptions on the replacement cases have no color, which I actually like, as the text doesn't stand out as much as on the original case. Let's have a look at the next parcel. This is a so-called Bullbar for the Casio DW5600. It's a stainless steel cover bumper. I paid $3.52 for this one, including shipping. The bumper gives an additional protection to the watch case. Although the watch case is durable as it is, because it's a G-Shock. So let's try this on. With this cover bumper, the watch looks like it can handle some hard work without getting damaged. This bumper only fits the DW5600 models. I have been wearing my square G-Shock with a Bullbar on it a couple of days now. To my understanding, Bullbars don't add much protection to a G-Shock as the screen is recessed. So the Bullbar is more aesthetics than function. I like the look of the square G-Shock with the Bullbar. The only downside with it is that it sometimes digs into my wrist. This is a black stainless steel linked bracelet for the Casio DW5600. Tools are included as well. So I paid $26.20 for the bracelet, which is cheap. Usually these bracelets are awfully expensive, costing close to $100. Unfortunately, I have had bad experiences with aftermarket bracelets from AliExpress, not being compatible according to the specifications. So there's a strong possibility that this bracelet won't fit, which I'm painfully aware of. So if it doesn't fit, I will try to sand it. But I will make a separate video on this bracelet. This is my last parcel. This is a 3mm wide and 18 centimeters long silver colored steel bracelet. It's a link chain. I paid $1.38 for it, including shipping. I usually don't wear bracelets like this one. I bought it because I was $1 short of getting a fast so-called combined delivery. And it's not easy to attach the bracelet with one hand. So a bracelet, so a 3mm wide men's bracelet link chain, 2 replacement bracelets and cases for the Casio DW5600, a so-called cover bumper, Bullbar, and a steel bracelet for the Casio DW5600. That's what I have bought on AliExpress.